turn.
Oh my God, he did it in the worst time ever. While the police car in front of him.
Who are they gonna pull over? Me? That guy? Yes. God, bro. Yes! Yes!
That's their lucky day for sure.
Yes! I'll pull that up. Dude, and I just like, what the man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time. Yeah!
They don't even to stop and see what's going on. They just go.
Yes!
Nobody's trying to let anybody go. That's crazy.
God damn it!
Oh my God, that's her mistake. The dark card, the black card, that's her mistake for sure.
See what's happening out there? It's like, wait, this feels a lot
Holy
like end time. This is me
man.
bouncing back and realizing that we've erred and that like this is all.
All that space, and she can't. Whatever who's driving, he can't go. Wow. He doesn't know how to drive. That's it. He doesn't know how to drive. Is this the same house? Is this the same guy? I guess so. Seems like his driving skill is not improving. These guys, that's crazy. Is one is taking too long. Two is taking a space is not his.
What the hell is that guy doing?
That's the other car mistake, yeah. Obviously, yeah.
Get a PC, right? And then you could just get the monitors. See, but the problem is it will be running at 1080p, 100, either more than 120 frames per second. Dude, what the f are you doing? Oh, did he hit you? Are you about to follow him? Yes, he just hit the car. Alright, yeah. For sure. Yeah.
Did he just hit the car and just left? How?
I'll wave him now.
I have no idea who hit the car. I guess he hit the car from the behind. Yeah.
Where you going? Huh?
Oh no. Oh no. He's going off the road. Why the other car is speeding like crazy? Oh, crazy how stuff happen at night. You know, most of it. That's the worst time to drive. Worst time to drive while there's no vision. Go behind the other car, you know, safely and keep space. It's very crazy to me when people don't see far away from them. Like he's speeding for nothing. Wow. Accidents happen so fast, so quick. You can't even react sometimes. I think he didn't see him. That's why blind spot from the mirror, I guess.
Looked carefully for any sign of a serpent, and then brought the mat down to a hover 5 meters above the grass. Carefully, he extracted a rope, made a loop, and wound.
That was a close call. Very close. He did it in the worst time ever. Like how? How he didn't see him from over there? Like some people they just drive crazy. And imagine if he has his family or kids with him, that would be even crazy.
Well,